What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. Series 1, Episode 3 of budget builds on the MK4 Golf GTi. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fitting some brand new coilovers to the Golf. The video is sponsored by MaxPeeding Rods. They've kindly sent me out some brand new coilovers to get fitted to the MK4 Golf. I'll put a link in the description below of the coilovers that we're going to be fitting today. If you own a VAG car or a similar car, then go and check them out and see what parts they can do for your car. They're very competitively priced, so go and check them out. We'll get set up, we'll do an unboxing, we'll show you the coilovers that we've got, and then we'll make a start getting them fitted to the car. Okay guys, so these are the coilovers. This is the box that they come in. Turn it around. Open the box up, see what's inside. Here we go. Right, what we've got here. We've got the rear springs. Fits on the back there. Here's the other one. Brand new. That's obviously your adjusters where you can raise it or lower it. We're going to be using the top mounts off of the Golf, the existing Golf. There's two of them. They come with two tools to adjust the adjusters. Here's the rear adjuster. There's two of them, obviously. Little bolt at the bottom goes in to keep them into position. And it comes with two, I think they're called dampers. Two of them. All fresh, shiny parts. So yeah, that's what we've got. So we'll be getting that fitted to the car. I just want to say thanks again to MaxPeeding Rods for sending these out. There is a link in the description below, so be sure to go and check them out. Okay, so we've now put the top mounts on the coilovers from the original springs. Okay, so we're now going to fit the new coilovers on. There you go. Once you've installed it, put your ABS wire back in. I'm just going to do this bolt up now. I've wound it down quite a bit. We'll see what the ride height is once it's on that level. There's one side done. Should tighten up this as well. Put the wheel back on that side. Okay, so you need a 18mm spanner, two spanners to undo that bolt that connects it to the hub. You need a swan neck spanner to undo that one. You need a Allen key in there, and then it's just a case of adjusting it, getting your right height. So it's pretty easy to install if you have half an idea of what you're doing. So if I can install it, anyone can install it. So we're going to jack it down now, see what the height is. Obviously it's going to be set, it's going to be setting, so we're obviously going to leave it for a little while. We've got MOT coming up next week, so then we can finally take it out for a drive, see what it's all about. So I'll get jacked down and then we'll make a start on the rears. Look at that. That is beautiful, that is. What's the difference? We're going to do the backs now, but look at that, so much better. Oh, great. Lovely. Okay, so take the old spring out. I'm not changing the dampers today. I'll do that in another video because I haven't got time in today's video. But it's literally all you do is change that for the new one, so that's pretty straightforward. It's literally 2 bolts there, 16mm, and then 16mm bolt going through there with a nut on the end. So, and you need to reuse the standard mount for the coilovers. I'll show you that in a sec. You have your adjuster there in the bottom. You have a washer and a bolt that goes underneath to secure it together. And then this is what goes in the bottom. That goes in the top, like so. And then you just top half in. That's it. And what I did was took the 2 bolts at the top just to give it that bit of slack. Now we're going to put them 2 back in. Now it's all done, everything's all bolted up. That one's a bit crap, but obviously we need to let it set, so we'll do that over a couple of days. Now the rears are on its lowest setting. Why is that so bright light? The rears are on their lowest setting, but like I said, they need to have a chance to set, so hopefully that'll drop. Pretty much the same as the front, all being well. Come around here, better angle. Like I said, these wheels are only temporary, just get through the MOT. Still got this to sort out. Still got the door to change as well, so we'll get that sorted. Just show you under here. You can see it's on its lowest setting. I don't know if you can see that. Guys, I just want to say a big thanks to MaxPeeding Rods for sending me out these coilovers. If you haven't checked them out already, go ahead and do so. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, do make sure you hit that like button. Do subscribe down below, click the bell icon, and notify you when we next upload a video. If you're not following us already on Instagram, it's at Car Trader Diaries. Thank you very much for watching. Guys, I'll see you very soon in the next one. Peace.